this problem, we are given that AB equals x, BC equals 40, and the radius of the circle is 4, and our goal is to find the value of x. Let's begin by writing down the given information carefully. We have AB equals x, and BC equals 40. Let this point be P, this point be Q, this point be H, and let the center of the circle be O. Since the radius of the circle is 4, OP equals 4, and OQ also equals 4. Now, let's use an important property of circles. The radius drawn to the point where a tangent touches the circle is always perpendicular to that tangent. That means OP is perpendicular to AB, and OQ is perpendicular to BC. Notice what this tells us. The distance from B to P is 4, and the distance from B to Q is also 4. Therefore, AP equals x minus 4 because the entire length AB is x, and we subtract the 4 units from B to P. Similarly, CQ equals 40 minus 4, which gives us 36. Up to this point, everything follows directly from the given measurements. Now let's use another very important property of tangents. From the same external point, the two tangents drawn to a circle are always equal in length. So, from point A, the tangent segment AP equals the tangent segment AS. Since AP equals x minus 4, AS must also equal x minus 4. In the same way, from point C, the tangent segment CQ equals the tangent segment CS. Since CQ equals 36, CS also equals 36. If you're following along so far, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more interesting geometry problems. And let me know your answer in the comments before we finish. Now, let's look at triangle ABC. This is a right triangle. We already know that AB equals x, BC equals 40, and the side AC is made up of AS plus SC. So, AC equals the quantity x minus 4 plus 36, which simplifies to x plus 32. Now we are ready to apply the Pythagorean theorem. This theorem tells us that in a right triangle, the square of the hypotenuse equals the sum of the squares of the other two sides. Therefore, AC squared equals AB squared plus BC squared. Now substitute the values we have. The quantity x plus 32 whole squared equals x squared plus 40 squared. Let's expand the left-hand side carefully. The quantity x plus 32 whole squared becomes x squared plus 64, x plus 32 squared. On the right-hand side, 40 squared is 1600. Since 32 squared equals 1024, we can write the equation as x squared plus 64, x plus 1024 equals x squared plus 1600. Notice what happens next. The x squared terms appear on both sides of the equation, so they cancel each other. That leaves us with 64, x plus 1024 equals 1600. Now, subtract 1024 from both sides. We get 64, x equals 1600 minus 1024, which equals 576. Finally, divide both sides by 64. 576 divided by 64 equals 9. Therefore, the value of x is 9. If you enjoyed this step-by-step solution, be sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel for more math challenges, and comment below if you solved it before watching the full explanation.